In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Skype credit. It's a really handy feature if you want to share some of your Skype balance with friends or family, especially if they need to make international calls or don't have access to online payment options. Let's get started. First off, navigate to the Skype website. You can do this by typing web.skype.com into your browser's address bar. Once there, you'll see an option to open Skype in browser. Click on that. If you're not already signed into your Skype account, you'll be prompted to do so. This is important because you need access to your account and its features to be able to transfer credit. Once you've logged in, your next stop is the chat section. Here you will see a list of your recent conversations. This area is crucial for what we're about to do next. Find the chat with the person you want to send Skype credit to and click on it. It might be someone you've recently talked to, or you might need to search for them by name or email. Either way, once you find the right chat, click on it to open up your conversation history with that person. At the bottom of your conversation, you'll see three dots or a menu option. Clicking on those three dots will bring up a menu with several options, and one of them is what we're here for today. Send Skype credit. Now, if you've already got Skype credit available in your account, you'll be able to choose how much you want to send directly from this menu. However, if you don't have any Skype credit or need to add more, you'll see an option that says Buy Credit. Click on that and you'll be guided through the process of purchasing Skype credit. It's a simple process, but make sure to have your payment details handy. Once you've either selected or purchased your Skype credit, follow the prompts to confirm how much credit you wish to send and to whom. The process is seamless and you'll be able to confirm everything before the final transfer is made. And there you have it. You've just learned how to transfer Skype credit to another account. It's a quick and straightforward process that can make a big difference to someone else's day. Whether they're in another country or down the street, sharing some of your Skype credit can help them stay connected. Remember, always make sure that you're sending credit to the intended recipient, since transactions like these can't be reversed. Double check the Skype name or email address of the person you're sending credit to before confirming the transfer. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Stay tuned for more handy tips and tricks to make the most out of your online communication tools.